Anntonia Porsild. Anntonia Porsild was born on November 2, 1996 in Bangkok, 26 years old, height 175 cm, half-Thai Danish, an international program major, marketing and public relations, Stanford International University. Contest results. The Face Thailand Season 1 Antonia competed and made it to the final 15 in the Face Thailand Season 1, and was a member of Mentor Ploy's team, and ended the competition in week 7 because Mentor Lucad eliminated her from the competition, which made Ann rank 10th on the list. Miss Supranational Thailand 2019, Antonia applied and participated in the contest. Miss Supranational Thailand 2019 with her identification number being number 15, and she was able to successfully win the title, and will represent Thailand in the Miss Supranational 2019 contest in Poland. Miss Supranational 2019 Antonia represented Thailand in the Miss Supranational 2019 pageant, and she was able to win the title. This contest is considered to be making history on the Miss Supranational stage for Thai beauty queens, and was the first representative from Thailand to win the championship, and is the 11th Miss Supranational in the world. Antonia was appointed by the Miss Universe Thailand Nakhon Ratchasima pageant to represent Nakhon Ratchasima province in the contest Miss Universe Thailand 2023 held on Sunday night, August 20, 2023 at MCC Hall, the Mall, Bangwangwon. This contest has representatives of beautiful women competing from 54 provinces across the country. Antonia was crowned Miss Universe Thailand 2023 on August 20, 2023 and represented Thailand in the Miss Universe 2023 pageant in El Salvador. Project and company: Little Steps and Omorphia Beauty. She has established a company, Omorphia Beauty, to import products, cosmetics from Sweden, which products are environmentally friendly, does not destroy coral reefs under the sea, and for every one item sold, $1 will be donated to the Little Steps Foundation to help communities throughout Thailand. In terms of basic factors of living, giving in order to give, not expecting anything in return, is the greatest act of giving. Sending kindness to sustain the world. Contact: IG, PORXILD, IG, Little Steps, IG, splash.skin, Facebook, Anntonia Porsild, TikTok, Annporsild, Twitter, @PORXILD, website, www.omorphiaworld.com.